ahead and check the general appearance for our audit. Next is visit the homepage. We're at the paypal.com homepage. Check out the title and description in the Moz SEO toolbar by just going up here, clicking on that, and you can see the title and description. Do they read well? Not really. Do they appear optimized for style? Kind of, I guess. I mean, the description's all right, but it could definitely be fine-tuned. But it is optimized for keywords, for sure. Is there a single H1 that describes the page, supports the page title, and contains the page's keywords? No, there's not, sadly. Using this, go ahead and look at the image alt tags, which this one is just pretty much a responsive website built for tablets anyway, so you aren't going to get much alt tags on here. Look through the page content, rate it 1 to 5, then jot down a few notes as to why you ranked it this way. It's pretty bare. Like, there's not a whole lot of substance to it. It's clear, it's concise, usability is great. So from here, let's look at content. Does the navigation make sense? Yes. That's one thing that PayPal got right. Is it hierarchical? Yes, it is. Do the links appear to contain keywords? So let's go ahead and look at this. Let's see if the links contain keywords. So we're going to go this. Let's go to the eBay one, or pay with apps. Works as well. And yes, it does contain keywords. So if this were an next year, you would select 5 pages in the navigation and visit them. Go ahead and rate each one 1 to 5 and jot down a few notes as to why you ranked it that way. And ask yourself, is this content compelling or sticky? Go ahead and visit some product or shopping cart pages if it's an e-commerce site. Are they laid out well? Do they use unique keywords? Did they use microformats or schema.org? So what I'm doing here is I'm pulling up those 5 sites. I could kind of look at them. Go ahead and look at this one. Look at the metadata and the title tags. Are they that great? No, not really. Again, there's a lot of duplication site-wide on PayPal, and it's not really the greatest thing in the world. H1 tags are non-existent, but the description seems to be okay. It's not really the optimal length, bare minimum, 120 characters. So it's a little short. We've got the right meta keywords, but we need a little more fleshing out in the basic metadata at this level. So can you easily find a blog, resources, or other link-worthy content? No, there's no real blog or anything up here. Let's go ahead and look and just make sure, but it's kind of just barren from this point. And so can't really find a blog. We'll turn this off. Go ahead and scroll down, look at the site content. Do we see any social media links? How well is social media implemented on blog or link-worthy content? Well, we can't find the blog easily. So we don't even know how fresh or frequent the content is. Are there comments? Typically, you're going to want to know if there's comments on social media sites or any likes or shares. And how good is the overall design and user experience? That's one thing that PayPal got extraordinarily correct, is that they got their site design done beautifully. It's amazing. It's beautiful and incredible. Duplicate content is a problem on this site, and that's going to be something that they're going to struggle with, especially with Panda. And Penguin, you're going to want to make sure that there's a significant amount of unique content above the fold if there's any ads, which there aren't here. PayPal's a pretty clean site and ad-free as it is. One URL for each piece of content. Do URLs include parameters? Which PayPal does definitely include parameters, most definitely. So let's go ahead and look at the homepage, see if we can find any social media links here. We're scrolling down, don't see any, but hold on. Let's go back down. The site is beautifully done, though. It is definitely, that's the one thing they got right. This is optimized mainly for tablets. So can we see if there's any about, contact, privacy policy, terms of service, or other business operations content? Probably not a whole lot. But we will have privacy policies, the the contact information in the about down here. And look, there's the blog. Finally found it, and there's other information as well. So it's harder to find because they're trying to drive people to their service. So usability, pretty good. Finding linkable assets and information, not so hot on this one. In the next section, we will be covering domain authority.